In today's lesson, I am going to explain the redox reaction of thiosulphate ion. This reaction is widely used for iodometric titration. So we have to know to which that thiosulphate ion is going to convert. Now, this is going to convert to tetrathionate ion. So in a redox reaction, we have to balance everything. That means number of atoms and charge. So here, if we put 2 as a coefficient, the number of atoms are going to balance easily. Then you can see there's a -4 charge here. Then we have to balance that by adding 2 electrons, because already there is a -2 charge. Now this is normal, but we should know how these values are coming from. That means how those 2 electrons produced. Actually, this is a oxidation reaction because electrons are going to release. So to understand in more detail, we have to have detailed structures of these two ions. So let us get into detailed structures. Now we have got detailed structures. Those are two Lewis structures. So I have named the number of sulfur atoms 1 and 2. Now actually when we consider this tetrathionate ion, here we can see there are 2 thiosulphate ions included. 2 thiosulphate ions add to form tetrathionate ion. But the oxidation number of sulfur atoms might subject to change. So if we check the oxidation number here, it is 0 because it is connected to another sulfur atom. So no change in electronegativity. So minimum polarization in the sigma bond and 5. So we say it is 0. So when we go to sulfur atom number 2, double bond, single bond, and again single bond. Each single bond will get positive charge for sulfur because this is oxygen. It is more electronegative than sulfur atom. Double bond will provide 2 positive charges. So altogether +4. Now I have numbered these 4 and 3 because these are identical. This ion is symmetrical in this axis. So when we come to sulfur atom number 4, oxidation number is 0 because they are connected to another sulfur atoms, as described the theory earlier here. So we can write as 0. So oxidation number of sulfur 4. They are in the middle of the ion. They are going to be 0. When we consider sulfur atom number 3, there are 2 double bonds with oxygen atoms and another single bond with oxygen atom. So double bond will create 2 positive charges and single bond will create 1 positive charge. Altogether +5. So both sulfur atoms with numbered with 3 is equal with oxidation number. So they are equal to +5. So now we can understand what is happening in this reaction. There are 2 sulfur atoms in the thiosulphate ion. One has 0 oxidation, one has +4 oxidation. So when you come to here, again one sulfur atom has 0 oxidation, another sulfur atom has +5 oxidation. 0 means no oxidation change has occurred. But from +4 to +5 means one electron should be released. But there are two such atoms. Even though there's a one here, when we come to here, there are two sulfur atoms with +5 oxidation number. So we have to release 2 electrons. That 2 electron you can see there in the redox reaction. That can be easily obtained by balancing this reaction, but some reaction it is not easy to get in that way. So that is why it is very essential to have understanding how the oxidation numbers are working and how they are going to change during these kind of redox reaction. So I think you will get some idea by this video.